Hi guys, in this video I'm going to unbox this Maono mic which I got it from Amazon for around 280 rupees. So let me show you the outer case of this mic. You can see the MRP. It is being priced at 699. These are some of the side views. Okay, let's open it. The moment I'll open it, I'll be getting one case. I'm keeping it aside. I'm getting two cards. One is some kind of welcome kit from where you can actually connect to the service such as customer care and all, and one more card which contains some information about how to connect this mic to a smartphone and all. Okay, so the moment I open this pouch, but before that let me tell you, this pouch has got a really good quality. Seriously, in 280 rupees I'm getting this very good pouch. So the first thing is like the microphone, and it's provided with 3.5 mm jack and some wind protection foam, and the mic will actually look like this. Let me focus it. Okay, I'm again covering it, and let's see what else we got in this pouch. Okay, we got this one collar clip, so you can actually connect it to your microphone like this, and you can place it on your collar so as to record all the voice. Okay, one more thing we are getting is one, and this is, I think this is a connector which is used to connect this microphone to your laptop or your computer, and this is also free inside this kit. This is actually a very good package for 280 rupees. Now let me show you the voice cover using this microphone and to the internal microphone. Thank you. So hi guys, the output which you are hearing is directly from the Maono mic, and I have connected to my smartphone. Now you can easily and clearly see the difference between the audio quality. Previously it was recorded from the internal mic, now from the external mic. So thanks for watching this video. Do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.